Hello YouTube, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you my DVD unboxing of God's Not Dead and God's Not Dead 2. Yes, I got this at Walmart for $5. Top it says double feature on there. This is stars Kevin Sorbo as the professor, Shane Harper as Josh, David A.R. White, and Dean Cain, with special appearance by Newsboys, Willie and Corey Robertson. This is Pureflix Presents on there. This is Pureflix Presents a Harold Crunk film on there. So here's the front, the spine, and the back. It's an inspirational double feature. Pureflix series, Pureflix Presents are the same. The film's logos are the same. Bonus features include behind the scenes, deleted scenes, students' rights on university campuses, Man, Myth, Messiah with Rice Brooks, Between Heaven and Hollywood with David A.R. White. It's released by Pureflix and Universal Pictures Home Entertainment logos. Both the films are rated PG, parental guidance suggested. Some material may not be suitable for children. Thematic material, brief violence and accident scene, and some thematic elements. The first one is God's Not Dead are 1 hour and 53 minutes running time, and God's Not Dead 2 are 2 hours and 1 minute running time. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing. So hang on for 1 second. Get a scissor. Okay, so here's the front again, spine again, and the back again. We can open this up. Here's disc 1 and disc 2. And there's nothing in there. The first one is God's Not Dead, and the second one is God's Not Dead 2. Alright guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe, and then let me know in the comment section below. Alright, bye!